gentlemen, coming from East Pakistan. He brought his bread too. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up to stage. One. Okay, like I said, my kindergartner don't know how to play with the computer yet.
Technical. They need tech support.
Technical difficulties.
support.
Tech support.
Any
They need
IT
tech
people here?
No, God, no.
Ladies and gentlemen, aquí viene el Chino Chandra.
Hey! Hey! How do you like that Indian mariachi? Hey, hold on, man.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
Damn it. This happened again. Every time this happens. Shit. I'm tired of this. I lost my dot. No, man. Damn it. Okay. Hey, guys. Hey, first things first. Okay, we Indians are not responsible for 9/11.
Okay.
We are responsible for 7/11. Hey, my name is Chandramurthy. I'm glad you're all here. Thank you, Irene and Ed, for that wonderful. Hey, give a big hand for them. Wonderful. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you all for coming. And you know what? I like this place. You know, first of all, it's at the back side of the house, and it's away from the highway and all. Because I go to the places, you know, where they have lot of glass and near the highway, I'm scared. Because immigration is looking for me. Maybe looking for a lot of you, maybe. Last night I could not sleep because this son of a bitch, where is that Greg? I'm sorry. What he told me is, there are a bunch of, Bear County Sheriff Department people. Am I right? Did you tell me or not?
First I did, yes.
Yeah. And I was scared, they're going to put me in jail. This morning I went and got my money for the bail, I'm glad, this is all just her classmate, that's good.
That's okay. That's okay.
No problem. And also I asked him, hey, I'm going up on the stage. Give me some tips. And he says, speak English. What a friend I have, man. Both of them, this guy is no better, I tell you. This Bohemian guy, I don't know where he's from. I don't know. Oh, shit. Hey, I'm so glad you're all here. Hey, I have to tell you, the first day I came to America, I got out of the New York airport, I put my bags down, and I said, thank you, God, for bringing me to this wonderful land of opportunity. Someone stole my bag. Then I was hungry. I went to this Kentucky Fried Chicken, and there was a good-looking girl, and she asked me, you want legs or breasts? God bless America. Then I have to tell you where I work and all. I work in the oil industry. I work in the energy sector. That means what? 7-Eleven. That means 7-Eleven, okay? Yeah. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh my God. I have to run. Where is the back? Look at that. Really, it's true. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Really, if a guy with a uniform walks in, I am running this side. I am gone. Look at that.
We're right behind you.
Don't worry, so are we.
Look at that. It's really true. Okay. And then, I wanted to get a good job in America. People told me, Chandra, you need to get rid of your accent first. So I went to UTSA and I signed up for an English speech class. And they assigned Dr. Gonzalez for me. And I went to his office and he said, come in, shit on the chair. Oh, shit on the chair. No, I'm going to keep my accent. No. And then, I went to the office and I changed the professor. And they assigned Dr. Stevenson, white lady. Me and her sat in a room. I talked and she corrected my accent. This went on for 6 months. After 6 months, she got my accent. Man, she lost her job. Now she is working for Taco Cabana. And then what happened? People told me, Chandra, this is San Antonio. You need to be bilingual to have a good job. Bilingual.
Hey.
The bilingual. I said, no, I'm already bilingual. I know Hindi and English. They said, no, this is San Antonio. English does not count.
That's so true. Very much.
So I joined a Spanish school. The first thing they taught me in the Spanish school is the greetings. Oh my God. And of course, I learned Warale, Wato, Donde Baño, Problema Prostatica, and all that stuff. And there was a swim team. And I joined the swim team. They said, no, this is a Spanish school. You can only swim in one direction. Nobody swims back. And and another thing happened. You're all from Texas? Here? Hey, good day. Hey, I like Texas. Hey, and this is the first state I came from India when I came. First state, Texas. And when I came here, I did not know nothing about Texas, nothing. My roommates gave me movies to watch. The first movie they gave me, Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Of course.
The second movie they gave me, Debbie Does Dallas. Wow.
Debbie Does Dallas.
I'm still confused, okay? And then, I started driving. People told me, Chandra, this is America. You need to obey all traffic signs. Every traffic sign. I said, okay. I started driving. I saw this big sign on the highway. Drink, drive, go to jail. Now I am on probation. Terrible, man. Hey, and you all like this. This place. This place reminds me of a place like this in India. In India, if you go there and you see a hot girl with hot body and hot lips, she has malaria. Watch out. Oh, terrible, man. What's your name?
Norma.
Norma. Hey, you remind me of the girl I used to go out with a long time ago. You look like you resemble like her, I tell you. And one day I went to her apartment and she was watching Cooking Channel. And I asked her, hey, why are you watching Cooking Channel? You don't know how to cook. And she said, you watch porn? Oh my God. There are a lot of women here, and this reminds me of the women in India. In India, women walk 10 steps behind you.
No more.
In America, women walk all over you. Just a joke, okay, ladies. I am a nice guy, okay? I'm a nice guy. You know, and,
Nice
people ask me, is it true, Chandra, is it true in India women walk 10 steps behind? No, that's long time ago. Now, women walk in the front and we men follow. Because landmines.
That's so cool.
Now, and now people ask me another question, is it true, is it true in India, in India, is it true in India, there are arranged marriages? Arranged marriage means what? I'll explain. Sir, what is your name, sir? Ruben. This is Senator, can I call you Pepe? Okay. Hi Pepe, how are you? Pepe, this is arranged marriage means, okay? One day suddenly you get a wife. No dating before. No test drive. And I hope she has no miles, okay? And it's all highway miles, okay?
Highway miles.
Not stop and go, you know what I'm saying? You understood stop and go? She says, yeah, oi, okay. What's your name, by the way?
You already asked me.
What is that?
Norma.
No, can I call you Lupita? I can easily remember. This is San Antonio, okay? Lupita. Okay. However, what I was talking about is you all understood that. But it's all changing now. In India, it is all changing. Actually, people are dating. We have our own dating website, connectthedots.com.
That's awful.
Hey, you all have seen dots, am I right? Dots. Lupita, you have seen dots. No, I don't think you all have seen, am I right? What does it signify? It is not GPS. No. It is not webcam. No. It is not for target practice. No. Don't believe all that. Okay. Don't believe all that. I'll tell you what it is. It is like a scratch off.
Wow.
The first night, the bride is in the room, bridegroom comes inside and scratches. Suppose you get a G, you get a gas station from the father-in-law as a gift.
Gotcha. Scratches it off if it's
Yeah,
a G.
suppose you get a L, you get to go out with Lupita. Just a joke, unless you want it, okay? Okay. And suppose you get a W, it is $10 gift certificate from Walmart. Pepe, it's just a joke, okay? Don't go and scratch Indian women, okay, buddy? Okay? Hey. And you might have seen all the dots and dots, you might have seen, but you may not know one thing. As the women age, the dot sags.
Like everything else.
Yeah. You need $5,000 for dot lift. Okay? Yeah, my wife came and said, hey, I need 5,000. I said, for what? Dot lift. I said, no.
That lift.
Grow bank, okay? Grow
bank.
Grow bank.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Hey, Lupita, have you dated Indian men before?
No, never.
Once you go brown, nobody wants you around. Hey, Pepe, same question for you, sir. Same question. Have you dated Indian men? Oh my God. Let us talk about that one. Oi! This is a separate show. We are going to stay till night, okay?
Yes, right away. Yes.
Have you dated Indian women? I meant to ask. Have you dated Indian women? No. Once you go Hindi, you won't like Cindy. Okay? Hey, Happy crowd here, man. Give a big hand for everybody. Yay! And all the organizers, and thank you. Thank you for the 50th anniversary. That's good. Great. And also, that's wonderful, wonderful. I'm happy. Hey, you're all happy. I am also very happy. I'll tell you why. For the last 3 months, I have been saving $49.99 because I canceled my home security system. And for the name at the end, I added Muhammad. Now FBI, CIA, everybody watching my home, free. Free, man. Hey, now another thing happened. Last April, I had stomach pain. What do? You go to the doctor, am I right? No, I waited till I go to the airport. Because at the airport, I am sent through the X-ray 3 times. It's called random search. Okay? And if I have a backpack, 5 times they send me. And after all that X-ray, Frank at the TSA, at the airport, he told me I have kidney stone. I went to the doctor yesterday. He said, yes, you do have. Who sent you? I said, Frank at the airport. I always go to Frank for second opinion. I always go. No, that's not it. I have to tell you. Last September, this September, my doctor told me, oh, Chandra, you need to get colonoscopy. It's so expensive in America, So what I did, I grew a beard. I went to the airport and I looked suspicious. Frank gave me a colonoscopy free. No copay. No overnight stay. I just walked off. Man. Oh my God. Hey, Lupita, if you want to get a free colonoscopy, ask for Frank. He has got small hands, okay? He has got smooth hands, okay? No calluses at all. If you mention my name, Chandra sent you, he will use new gloves, okay?
Oh my God.
Okay. Hey, what's happening, man? Yeah, happy crowd here, I'm glad. Hey, what's happening news-wise? All kinds of news. What is the news? There is only one news, I'm right now. COVID. I'm right? Everywhere, the same news. We Indians lucked out. You know why? Because we eat very hot and spicy food. We survived because of that, I think. Last week I spilled chicken curry over one guy. His corona got cured. And remember the police used the pepper spray? Have you seen? Oh, we love the taste. We love it. We love the smell and taste. We like it. You all go to the buffet, we go to the Capitol. Oh, that's it. Oh my God, what a joke. Okay. And in India, they imposed social distancing, 6 foot. 1.23 billion people, 6 foot apart. 70% of the people ended up in Pakistan. And another thing happened. I always worry about it, Greg. This is always I worry about the social distancing. You are supposed to be what, 6 foot apart? Suppose you have the virus. Suppose you don't have the virus. This virus came from China, 8,000 miles, and it cannot cross 6 foot.
True. It's true.
You know what?
True.
Hey, another news, another news is, hey, do you all know that, what is her name? Stormy Daniels? Do you know what she's doing now? Stand-up comedy.
No.
I'm not kidding, yes. And everywhere she's doing. I did not know that she can do something standing up. And she always wanted to be headliner because she's tired of opening, okay? I tell you. And guess what? And in Houston, she got out of the show, and somebody said, hey, you suck. And she said, yeah, $200 cash. Hey, another major news in San Antonio. What is that? Snow here, am I right? Snow? How many years, Pepe? How many days you did not have the power, Pepe? How many days?
5,
No
6,
power.
7 5 days.
4 days? Yeah, how
5,
many days
6,
you did
7.
not have power? 4 days? Me too, 4 days. 4 days, no power, no television, no water, no food. That made me homesick. Terrible, man. Hey, you know what? I know you're all laughing, but I have to tell you this. I am mad at this news, and I don't care. I'm going to tell you. That is, in San Antonio, no, look at this. Several states in America, they have legalized same-sex marriages. In San Antonio, marriage is an important institution. Marriage is a holy union between a man and a pregnant woman. Hey, you know what? Since I look different, people ask me all kinds of questions. Can I tell you some of the questions there? First of all, they ask me, hey, Chandra, you're an Indian? What tribe? I don't know. I just say Velero tribe. I don't know what to say. Greek, I don't know, man. And people ask me another question. Do you believe in 72 virgins? 72 virgins?
Yeah.
I said, no, not in San Antonio.
No, you didn't.
Hey, ladies, hey.
Yeah.
Take it. Don't take it personal, ladies. Okay?
Oh, okay.
No. I'm a nice guy. Lupita, are you mad at me, Lupita?
No.
Sorry, it happened.
Are you
Sorry.
married?
Got a good manager.
Yeah,
Hey,
you're married.
and another question people ask me.
You were married.
Another people
did?
ask me is,
I didn't
Chandra,
hear.
you're a comedian or tell me a joke. I don't ask, hey, you're a doctor, check my prostate. Hey, you're a lawyer or tell me a lie. Or you're a whore. I don't want to touch that. Because immigration is looking for me, man. Okay. Oh my God. Hey, please do not report on me to immigration, okay? Indian lives matter. The black lady is gone.
He's gone. Yeah.
Oh, then we can tell any damn joke, guys. Well, Black lives matter, Mexican lives matter, damn, Bohemian, where is that Bohemian guy? Bohemian lives matter, every lives matter. I'm the right guy, you can say anything you want today, because black life people are gone. Okay, that's good. So we can as well tell this joke. Actually, what happened is this. Some time back, I was in that bar, drinking with a black guy. He was talking and we were talking. And he told me, yeah, he was a very proud guy. He was proud of Black History Month, black this, black that. And he said he has been to Million Man March in Washington. Blacks had a Million Man March. I asked him, hey, how many people missed work to go to that Million Man March? He said, 7.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop it.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Now you see, they could not have told this joke in a regular club, man. They would kill me. They'll take me in the parking lot and kill me. Okay.
yeah.
Hey, that's good. And another thing. People ask me another chance. Chandra, how come you are doing comedy? I never wanted to be a comedian. When I was growing up, I wanted to be a juggler. But I did not have the balls.
We get it.
Hey, another question they asked me, Chandra, is your name is Chandramurthy real? No. We Indians have long names always. My real name is Jangamakote Krishnamurthy Chandrasekharamurthy Subramaniam. In India, it means Baba. It's funny, man. I have 2 driver's license, okay? One of them says continued, okay?
To be continued. Part 2.
Yeah. And last week I called a 1-900 sex line. By the time I told my full name, man, the whole time was over. Oh, terrible. Man. And people ask me another question. I don't know why they ask me. Did you ever live in another state, another country? They asked me. Hey, did anybody live in another country? No. Anybody? Yeah, you're from another country anyway. You were born in another country anyway. You lived in the same place? Okay. Any other people? Any other lived in any other country? I lived in a foreign country. Alabama. Strange place. Anybody from Alabama? Nobody wants to admit.
Oh,
Look at
hell
him.
no.
He says no.
Oh, hell no.
Hell no. Okay. In Alabama, man, it's a strange place, I tell you. There, the minimum age for drinking is 26. I asked them, hey, why don't you make it 21 like other states? Oh, we don't want high school students to be drinking.
Okay, we get it. That was funny.
And I lived there, man. I'm not kidding. There, they have Mexican food. They serve the Mexican food with hush puppies. Terrible.
God.
Strange place. And the one thing I like about Alabama is, when you go to a nightclub, there is a common pickup line. Hey, you have nice tooth. Okay?
You have nice tooth? You have nice
You have a
tooth.
nice
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey,
I have this
hey, you know
conversation all the
what?
time.
Hey, I'll tell you,
Call
man.
it a toothbrush.
Hey, this is now comes the confession time. I'll tell you. I am glad you're all laughing, but I have to tell you, I am going through stress. I'm going through stress, man. Really. I'm glad you're all laughing because before all this stress, I used to be a white guy. Okay?
Amen.
Like a Bruce Jenner or something.
She's Caitlin now.
Bruce Jenner. Okay. Hey, I'll tell you why. Yesterday, I'll tell you the stress. Why? Yesterday, I had to drive from Houston. It takes 7 hours for me to drive. 7. Because each time I stop at a gas station to buy a Coke or something, they ask me to fill out night manager application. Pepe, have you seen the application, sir? One of the line, it says, have you been shot before? You say yes, you get the job because you're experienced. And next line, it says, have you been shot more than once? And you say yes, you become a regional manager. What type of job I have, I don't know, man. And that's not it, man. Last week, the police stopped me for DWI, driving while Indian, okay? Oh, terrible. No, that's not it. I tell you, I came from Houston today morning, my car broke down. Talk about stress. I had a Camel in India for 12 years. Never broke down. It was not a company camel, it was my own camel. Okay? I bought it at Camel Max. Okay. I used to make camel payments great. Camel payments, monthly payment, camel payments, every month. Except 1 month, I missed the camel payment. They came and took away my camel. That's the first time I saw a camel toe. Hey, some people did not like this. I scratch camel toe. Okay, I have to scratch camel toe. Okay, hey, that's not it, man. Because of all this stress, I called the suicide hotline. And I explained everything, and they told me, we can't understand your accent. Send us an email, we will reply in 14 business days. And damn thing, they replied back. They replied in Spanish. I took it to Dr. Gonzalez, remember? He told me, come in, shit on the chair. Oh, shut up.
Sit on the chair.
Now then, I was really depressed. So I went to church. Not I went to the temple. I went to temple to pray. Have you seen the Indian gods with many, many hands? Mm-hmm. His name is Handy Andy. Okay. I know that did not work out. So forget about this. I went to a church to pray. There the priest always asked me the same question. Same question he asked me. Do you want to be born again? Do you want to be born again? I said, no, my mother is old and that will break her hip.
Not a good idea.
Not a good idea. Hey, that some people didn't like it. I need to scratch my mother's hip. Okay. Scratch mother's hip. Okay. Okay. Hey, however, speaking of stress, how many people, a lot of married people, one of us 50 years. I'm glad. Anybody more than that?
No.
How many years?
We would be dead. What did she? I didn't understand.
52. Fantastic. Anybody else?
Nope, that's it.
54?
54?
Oh my God.
Fantastic. Hey, give a big. Sir, actually, I'm very sorry for you, sir. Okay?
Oh, no, you didn't.
Because I am going through the same thing. I'm going through the same thing. I'll tell you. I've been married 43 years.
1, 2, 3.
43 years.
Oh, 43.
43 years went like 43 minutes underwater.
Underwater. Okay. 43 minutes underwater. Yeah.
I met her in high school. And she is still in high school. Every day I need to pick her up. Because she failed the driver's education also. Hey, that is the second girl I dated. Okay? Can I tell you about the first girl? Okay. You see, me and her worked at the same place, and she got transferred to Dallas. And I sent her flowers every day by FedEx. Every day by FedEx for 6 months. After 6 months, she married the FedEx guy.
Hello.
I hate FedEx. Do not use FedEx, okay? Do not use FedEx, okay, guys? Do not use FedEx.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Hey, my wife talks a lot. Very, very talkative. Is your wife talkative, sir? Your wife talkative?
Oh, God.
Not
Sometimes.
bad?
Sometimes.
Huh?
Sometimes.
So what happened? Why are you leaving Lupita? You don't like me?
Sorry.
She can't hold it.
We will wait till Lupita comes back after peeing. No, you know what happened? My wife talks a lot. Last week, one of the telemarketing ladies hung up on my wife. My wife, I like one show in television, 60 Minutes. Have you seen the 60 Minutes? I love the show.
Oh, yeah.
Last Sunday, I had to go and do one show. I told my wife, please watch it and tell me. I came home and she explained it for 170 minutes. I could have recorded it. Oh my God. The last month we went to Corpus Christi beach. Her tongue got sunburned. Okay, that's okay. Oh my God. Hey, my wife lost her credit card during Christmas. I never reported because the thief is spending less than my wife, man. Thank you. 54 years marriage, sir. Do people ask you what is the secret of your marriage? What is the secret? Do they ask you? 52 years, do they ask you what is the secret? They don't ask. They ask me, what is the secret? 43. I'll tell you the secret. Everybody ready? Ready? My wife drinks a lot.
I have one of those.
That's the secret. I'll tell you. You remember, your wife comes and says, I want Lexus. I want a bigger house. I want to go on a cruise. Have you heard that? I'm right. What happens? So you argue and you get into divorce and all the stuff. No. When that happens, my wife, I'll tell her, honey, let's have a drink first.
Dance drunk.
She's drunk, and in half an hour she's drunk and happy and mad, telling me jokes. I'd ask her, hey, how was the cruise? Okay. I tell you, man. I tell you. My wife, I have one kid. How many kids? Yeah, how many kids you have, sir? 3. No Netflix? Okay. How many you have, sir? 3. Well, you have 2, am I right? I know that. I have only one. We wanted only one child. I'm glad I did not marry a Hispanic girl. Just a joke, okay? I'm a nice guy, just a joke. Of course, for Hispanics, 3 kids are like starter kids, okay?
Starter kids.
Big deal. Okay? Okay. And my son, hey, you know one thing about Indian kids? They are very good in education and they are very good in spelling bee champion. Am I right? How many teachers are there? Any teachers? Any teacher? You know, I'm right. Indian kids for the last 10 years or more, first in spelling bees. You want to know the secret? You want to know what is the secret? I'll tell you. See, when they're small kids, we tell them, hey, spell my name. My name is Jagamukote Krishnamurti Chandrasekharamurti Subramaniam. If he can spell that, he can spell any damn thing you want, man. Yeah, my son went to college. I'm glad here I don't need to explain. In South Side, in the show, I explain what is college. Okay. What is college? I don't need to explain here. Okay, and my son went to college, and do you know that it is $26,000 per year to go to UTSA per year? $26,000 per year. My people said, oh, apply to FAFSA. No, I applied to FEMA. And people, $26,000. How many bombs I have to sell? No, let's take it. Hey, no, don't report on me. No.
You better watch out when you go to your car.
Indian lives matter. Oh my God. Hey, my son went to Texas A&M University. He's an Aggie, Texas Aggie. Yeah, Aggie. Hey, do you know the shortest Aggie joke? There was a smart Aggie.
Oh. I didn't get it.
That's it, buddy. Smart Aggie. That's it.
Do you know the shortest Aggie joke?
There was another joke.
Really? We're really smart.
He doesn't like the jokes. Okay. Hey, my son bought, when he was in college, he bought iPod, iPad, iPhone, iPad.
Oh, yeah. That's what we
Now
all did.
I'm broke, man. Oh my God. That's life. Hey, and my son became an emergency medicine doctor. Are we Indian parents happy? We are never happy. He did not become a cardiologist. So we are trying to adopt a Chinese baby. Just a joke. Just a joke. No, just a joke. Just a joke.
Just a go. Don't get upset.
Hey, although we have only one kid, hey, is it okay, man? Too late? Is it too late? Should we stop or should we continue a little bit? Huh? Go ahead, man. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hey, and although I have only one kid, guess what? I come from a family of 10 kids. My dad had 10 kids. Okay? He believed in rhythm method. Every year one kid. Okay? It was like Microsoft version 1, 2, 3, 4. Man. Came out like that crazy, man. Okay? And when the census guy came to our house, he stayed overnight.
He stayed overnight.
And we stayed in a small house, of course. We were not very rich. I'm the 7th kid in a 10-kid family. Okay? And I came out of the closet long time ago. That's where I slept. Oh my God. And all the 10 kids my mom had, natural delivery. No C-section, nothing. Natural delivery. One day she was cooking some spicy food. She sneezed and my last brother was born. We called him chicken curry. We did not have a family car. We had a caravan with 3 camels. Okay.
What are you going to do?
And I'm the only one who came to America. Rest of them
You
stayed
still have to
back.
cut the cake
And they call me white sheep.
champagne and-
Okay? And when I go back, they tell me, hey, you talk different. You sound different now. I have bad accent in 2 countries. Oh, what a day. Hey, you know what? Hey, thank you for listening to my jokes and all. Please, thank you. I need to tell you something. Thank you. I need to tell you something. Please write me an email. Nobody writes me an email. I don't know why. Okay? My email address is Jangamakote Krishnamurthy Chandrasekharamurthy Subramaniam @gmail.com.
Got it.
Okay? And also, please subscribe to my OnlyFans. Okay? I am there as Bombay Buns. Okay?
Bombay what?
Bombay Buns. Okay?
Bombay buns.
I am also on onlydots.com. Hey, hold on.
Only dots.
Hey, hold on, my phone is ringing. Hold on, please. Tech support, can I help you? Yeah, my name is Charles Morgan.
Charles Morgan.
What did you say? What? This American accent. Oh, my God. Yeah. Go and see Dr. Gonzalez. Okay? Hey, I need to take this call. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you.
A round of applause for Chandra. He's really got to go perform tonight at another place on the south side, right? I can tell you've been drinking. I can tell when
Thank
you're
you all.
drinking.
Thank you.
Hey, how about a round of applause for Chandra and Greg?
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Ed and Irene, thank you very much, and thank y'all.